Hey everybody on YouTube, this is Curry Mac. Today I'm going to show you how to make breakfast scrambler casserole. We'll start by making the biscuits, which calls for 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2.5 cups of mild cheddar cheese. And then we're going to stir it up until it's well incorporated. And next we'll add 1 minced jalapeno, and then we'll stir it up inside the mixture. And then to another bowl, we're going to add 6 large eggs. We'll stir that up together with the dry ingredients. Then we'll add 4 tablespoons of cold butter. And using a pastry cutter, we'll cut it into the dough. Now what I'm doing here is buttering up the 9 by 13 inch pan. I even added some parchment paper also, which I guess I didn't have to do that because it's sticking to the parchment paper as you can see, but I mean it still turned out okay. And then we're going to bake that at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. And what this is bacon grease and sausage grease. I already cooked that ahead of time. And then we'll add 2 cups of flour. And then we'll stir that until it's well blended together. And then we're going to add 6 cups of whole milk. I added about 4 cups and I stirred it and I added some more. But yeah, this is basically it right here. This is on medium-high heat. And then now I'm going to add the meat. First I want to add the sausage and I want to stir it up till it's well blended together. Then next I'm going to add the bacon. This is applewood smoked bacon. And it's not the pre-cooked kind either. I actually cooked this ahead of time. And then this is the eggs. What I did was add some chopped green onions with it too. You don't have to do that, but to me it tastes better with it. And right here, probably next time if I were to make this again, I'm going to definitely put this hash browns in the gravy mixture too. I didn't do it on this one, but I should have did that. And all this is hash brown on top of the first layer. You don't have to do it this way. And next time, this is my first time making this. So next time I'm definitely going to put it inside the gravy mixture. That way all of it will be together instead of being separate like the way I had it here. And this is the gravy mixture here. You go spread it around till it's completely covered. And I had a little bit of gravy mixture left over. Which you will have some left over. You could just save that for something else maybe, or you could just try to put all of it on there. It's really up to you. And what this is a combination of cheddar and Monterey Jack that I'm putting on top of this layer. And this is chopped green onions, what I'm doing right here. And all you do is put this back in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese is melted thoroughly. And this is how it looks like after you finish cooking it. This is a very delicious recipe. I mean, the jalapeno cheddar biscuit base was good. The bacon, sausage, egg mixture was good. Hash browns was good. All of it was good. And they won't be disappointed with this recipe. So the recipe will be in the bottom of the description as usual. So give it a try.